What it do, what it don't, what it is, what it isn't. You already know what this is. This is Once We're Not the Same, a magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. Zien, I'm your host P Fire, aka Purple Spitfire, and this is another episode of Nice Bit of Kit that you already know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go around, come back and shot like we're doing it for TV, so let's do it. Look at the hammer. Alright, let me give you a little close-up, guys. Let me give you the close-up. Let me give you the RJ to the twirl to the RJ. You see what we're doing here. My beautiful people, what it do? Guys, today we have this beautiful, let me give you a little, this beautiful knit. Look at that, guys. Look at the knittage. You see the knittage, you see the details. Guys, today we have this beautiful Stone Island knit, and this knit is from 2017. As you can see, it's just anyway, guys, I'll stop touching myself and let's get into it. All right, guys, let's start from where we like to start. Actually, let's start at the cuff arches, because that's where we like to start. Left hand side, right hand side. Look at those cuff arches. Look at those ribbed, knitted, frosty, lovely. So guys, this is a Stone Island frosted knit from 2017. 2017 is like one of my favorite years. Like, I'm obsessed by 2017 Stone Island drop. Autumn, winter and summer, spring. Oh, check them out. But anyway, this is from that, and as you can see, look at that, guys. The material is just beautiful. 100% cotton, or is it wool? I'll tell you in a minute. Beautifully arranged. Little close-ups, guys. So as you can see, the zip goes from the bottom all the way to the top. You've got double zip, so you can open like that, as you can see, or you've just got your normal zip way as you would. Of course, you have these nice big YKK zippers right there, as you can see. Nice to keep the weight of the knit, to make sure that the zips are purposeful. What else shall we be looking at? Of course, you can see the ribbon down there. Let me just show you more of that ribbon. You see the ribbon, it's so beautiful. I'm just going to give you a twirlage, guys. Look at the back, look at the knitting at the back, that plait knit, shall we say. You see that plait knit? Really nice. Of course, you see the hood, really nice hood. Again, it's a knit, so nothing, you know, crazy. Tappity tap tap, yes, you're good, but not really, because you know it's wool or knit or cotton. I'll let you know in a minute. Really nice, guys. For the eagle eye amongst you, you would have seen the badge, and you're thinking that badge isn't like all the other badges. It's not a ghost, it's not a normal, it's not a vintage, it's not a shadow. This is a frosted knit. Sorry, this is a frosted badge. As you can see, the frosting is there, and the frosting's on the knit. You see the little bits of particleized dusting, shall we say. But anyway, super beautiful, guys. Really nice. This feels nice. It's just really comfortable, and I've wanted one of these for a while, and I finally managed to get it, and yeah, I'm just really happy with it. Of course, you see all your details right there. Perfect. This is a large, so they come in a bit fitted, which is kind of nice. Of course, you've got your Stone Island right there. Let me just give you a bit more. Look at that. Just give you a bit more so you can see. Look at that knit, guys. You see it? Super nice detailing. They did some versions of this without the hoodie. So yeah, and there's a few different colors, but yeah, this is the one that I managed to pick up. Guys, please let me know your thoughts. Do you have this in the collection? Do you know about the 2017 collection? Please check it out. Really amazing. If you want some links, hit me up. I will send you the links to view that collection. Super dope. Guys, this has been another episode of Nice Bit of Kit. That I've been your boy, Phoenix the Fireboy, aka P is for pistachio green. You see what I did there? And this has been Once We're Not the Same, magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. Zien, guys, this has been a 2017 Stone Island frosted hoodie, frosty. Love it, guys. Stay dope, stay fly. Let me know your thoughts below, and I'm gonna catch you on the flip side. Peace.